Embarking on a weight loss journey can often feel overwhelming, filled with conflicting advice and complex strategies. However, achieving and maintaining weight loss does not have to be daunting. In fact, by simplifying your approach and focusing on a few key principles, you can make the process much easier and more sustainable. In this video, we'll explore 3 practical ways to make weight loss effortless and enjoyable. From increasing satiety with nutrient-rich foods to incorporating daily habits that support long-term success, these strategies are designed to streamline your path to a healthier lifestyle. So let's dive in and discover how you can make weight loss easy for you. First is increased satiety. Satiety refers to the feeling of fullness and satisfaction that occurs after eating. When you feel satiated, you no longer feel hungry and you're less likely to continue eating. This feeling is important for regulating food intake and controlling appetite. Foods that promote satiety tends to be filling and satisfying, helping you consume fewer calories overall and maintain a healthy weight. Protein-rich foods are known for their ability to increase satiety and reduce feeling of hunger, making them a valuable component of weight loss diets. Protein is known to be more satiating than carbohydrates or fats. Think of the time when you had a regular breakfast high in refined carbohydrates, like a serving of juice or toast with butter and fruits. Even though you ate enough calories, you started to feel hungry or experience cravings just within a few hours of eating it. On the other hand, think of the time when you had eggs cooked in ghee or coconut oil, probably with avocado on the side. Magic happens when you combine healthy fats with protein in a meal. This further slows down gastric emptying, providing you with sustained energy for long hours. The second thing you should definitely do is include foods that you love to eat and eat them every day. Okay, wait, before you start getting ideas, I'm talking about health foods, whole organic foods. Our bodies crave nutrients. Yes, we do need calories to generate ATP, but we also need micronutrients in optimal amounts to ensure that the billions of chemical reactions that happen every second to function smoothly. With little bit of planning, healthy food can be tasty and satisfying. When you search for healthy breakfast options online, you are presented with countless tempting choices, right? But consider this, out of all those options, how many would you actually eat consistently, day after day, month after month, or year after year? The truth is, when you really think about it, you probably narrow it down to just a handful, maybe 2 to 4 favorites. Why? Because our eating habits are often deeply rooted in what we have been accustomed to since childhood. Whether it's the meal prepped at home by our parents or partners, or simply the foods we genuinely enjoy and find wholesome, there is a certain magic in simplicity. So instead of overwhelming yourself with endless possibilities, why not focus on a few core ingredients that you truly love for your morning meal? Whether it's eggs, oats, chila, dosa, pick your favorite and explore ways to make them not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. For instance, if you're a fan of eggs, experiment with different preparations like sunny side up or adding avocados. Swap out regular bread for healthier options like sourdough bread. And don't forget to plan ahead. Make sure you have the necessary ingredients on hand by scheduling grocery trips accordingly. Otherwise, you might find yourself reaching for less satisfying options like waffles and wondering why you're feeling hungry just after an hour or two later after breakfast. Last but not the least, the third way to make weight loss easy for you in the long term is to make sure to burn at least a few hundred calories from workouts. Run away from coaches who promote weight loss without exercise. Yes, it's possible to lose weight just by focusing on food, but it only works in the short term. If you're not used to working out and have a sedentary lifestyle, trying to lose weight without any workout may seem like a easy and comfortable choice. but within just a few months of losing the weight, you will gain it all back. You see, when you exercise, you not only build and retain muscle mass, which increases your metabolism, but it's very clear that people who exercise have reduced cravings and tend to make healthier food choices. Don't even get me started on the health benefits of sweating it out. Movement is in our DNA. We were meant to move. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or weightlifting, and strive to be consistent with your workouts. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week to reap the benefits of physical activity for weight loss. Before I end this video, I want to say this. Being consistent is the key to unlocking greatness. But staying consistent is difficult. If it was easy, everyone would be fit and healthy. But the majority of people are not. So let's say you start to take small, consistent steps towards your weight loss goals. Eventually, a point will come known as the barrier or the threshold. Once you cross that, you'll know. And here's what happens then. The day you don't exercise, you don't feel good. The day you eat junk, you start to feel super guilty. The day you don't meditate, you start to feel anxious. These healthy habits get so ingrained in you, they become part of you, effortless as breathing is. That's when you realize that discipline is freedom. So until then, don't you dare give up on your dreams of building a fabulous body. Thanks for watching.